Today, I want to explain something that most people misunderstand about modern AI systems. This is not simply a comparison of two tools. It is a structural difference in how intelligence systems operate inside organizations. We are comparing Perplexity Computer and OpenClaw, but what we are really examining is the difference between controlled delegation and autonomous execution. Let us begin by clearly defining what Perplexity Computer represents. Perplexity Computer functions as an AI augmented interface layer. It enhances how humans search, reason, synthesize information, and make decisions. It does not operate independently over long horizons. It does not initiate actions without user intent. It remains bounded within session-level interaction. In practical terms, it behaves as an intelligent co-pilot that many organizations are already familiar with. It accelerates research, it improves clarity, it reduces cognitive load, but the human remains the decision authority. Every major action requires instruction. Every judgment remains supervised. This makes it predictable, auditable, governable. Now let us contrast that with a system designed for a very different operational philosophy. OpenClaw moves beyond assistant intelligence. It is designed to spawn automated agents. These agents can execute multi-step workflows. They can interact with tools, they can trigger actions, they can operate over extended sequences without constant supervision. This is not assistance. This is orchestration. OpenClaw enables multi-agent systems that can perform complex operational chains, but autonomy introduces a different risk profile. When agents execute multiple steps independently, errors compound. Scope can expand beyond original intent. Governance becomes more complex. The power increases, so does the responsibility. To understand the real divide, we must clarify a concept that many organizations confuse. What is controlled delegation versus autonomy? Agentic AI does not mean autonomous AI. Agentic AI means humans define the objective, define the scope, define the guardrails, and then allow the system to execute specific tasks inside those constraints. Autonomous AI shifts that responsibility. The system determines how to achieve objectives. It chooses pathways, it adapts execution dynamically. Most enterprises are comfortable with controlled delegation. Very few are structurally ready for autonomy. Perplexity aligns with controlled delegation. OpenClaw leans towards autonomous orchestration. The difference determines adoption speed inside real organizations, which brings us to the practical enterprise question. If you present a fully autonomous workflow system in a regulated corporate environment, hesitation follows immediately. Finance departments require traceability, procurement requires approval checkpoints, legal requires compliance documentation. An autonomous agent executing procurement decisions without validation layers creates liability. An AI system assisting a procurement manager in reasoning through supplier consolidation enhances performance without removing accountability. This is why governance architecture matters. Without validation layers, audit trails, escalation paths, and clear boundaries, autonomous systems amplify instability. Agentic systems amplify productivity. Autonomous systems amplify both productivity and error. So the strategic decision is not about features. It is about structural preparedness. The strategic question organizations must ask before choosing between Perplexity Computer and OpenClaw. Leadership must ask, are we prepared to delegate judgment or only execution? If the organization lacks clear validation frameworks, defined escalation rules, comprehensive audit logs, human oversight checkpoints, then autonomous systems will create operational volatility. In that case, controlled delegation is the rational starting point. Perplexity Computer functions as an intelligent amplifier. OpenClaw functions as an automation engine. One enhances human decision making, the other attempts to replace portions of structured supervision in execution loops. Both have value, but they belong at different maturity stages. And that is the real agentic divide. Before deploying any agent systems, ask a single question. Are we augmenting human judgment or are we outsourcing it? The answer determines everything.